We want to show you two example use cases. The first is a general one, and the other is more biotech specific. So, finding structured data in the company can be an issue. For example, imagine that last week we had a meeting where we discussed that our next product release affects some of our customers, and we listed these customers to notify them. Now I need to find the spreadsheet we created. In our system, I can start by searching for customers as the keyword. As expected, I received dozens of relevant pages. Although I can quickly preview them, which is already better than in Google Documents, for example, it may still be tedious to scroll through all of them. But I remember that the documents we created contained emails of our customers, so I can quickly filter for those. As you can see, the list becomes significantly shorter, and my file is at the top of the search results. I can check the information about this file, like documentation or its contents, right in the platform, or push the Open Resource button to quickly navigate me to the file in Google Drive. So let's say I changed the file and introduced a new column which tracks if the customer was notified already or not. I immediately receive a notification that the file I'm currently looking at was changed, and a suggestion that I should update documentation too. And if I don't want to do it myself, which is usually the case, I can use our AI assistant to quickly do it for me. Another example, which is more biotech specific. We know from interviews that sometimes the analysis of DNA can go wrong. In this case, the lab usually needs to go back in time in experiments to find out the moment when everything broke down. Our system supports flexible filters, which makes investigation of such cases much easier. For example, we can look for sequencing data and select the sequencer we would like to check. Other filters update dynamically, so it reduces our search scope. After that, I usually would be interested in checking the control runs to detect possible changes in the process, and then select runs with a specific reagent I'd like to investigate. Finally, for the management and administration, there is a convenient tab showing statistics on how data within the organization has been used.